Hello.
Whoa. Today I'm going to be installing the SENA 50S and showing you guys how that works. So here's the SENA 50S. It comes with a lot of really cool accessories. It's got a premium microphone and speakers with Sound by Harman Kardon. Here's some of the product specs from the website: a mesh intercom, multi-channel communication. Now let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. You have the helmet mount attached to the speakers and microphone. You have an additional microphone as well, the charging cable, instruction manuals, multiple different types of adhesives, microphone covers, an additional boom microphone option, and some thick speaker adhesives. The first thing you're going to do is remove all the padding from the sides of the helmet, and then you're going to attach the helmet mount. You're going to have to loosen this clamp with the tool that they provide, just so you can get it wide enough so you can slip it into the side of your helmet. Once you have it in a comfortable position, then you're going to tighten everything up. For the speakers, you're going to put the speaker with the shortest cable on the same side as the helmet mount. It has its own adhesive and it was able to stick onto my helmet with no problem. It just depends on your preference. You can use the thicker speaker pad or you can use the speaker adhesives that it comes with. You can tuck and hide away the wires however you like, but I decided to keep a little bit of it out so I can insert the pad in there. I'll show you guys that later. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side of the speaker, and you can go ahead and tuck all the excess wires back behind the helmet. Once you get the microphone cover on, you can easily tuck that right underneath here in that chin guard area. And then once you have everything in a good place, you can go ahead and put the pads back in on the sides of the helmet. And this is the part that I was talking about. I slid this part underneath those wires and then back in the helmet. But of course you can figure out a way that works best for your helmet and your padding inside. I was expecting this part to be a lot more challenging with all the wires and stuff, but it was really no problem at all. Alright, now in order to get everything set up, you're going to have to download the SENA app, and then you'll be able to connect the device via Bluetooth. The pairing part was really easy. You don't have to set up an account or anything. You literally just download the app, turn on the device, and then wait for it to pair. Alright, now I'm going to insert the SENA so that I can test out the audio and the microphone. One thing I want to point out is the quick release button here on the side. This keeps it locked in place, and then it's a quick release if you need to take it out to charge it. Here's some instruction manuals on how to turn it off and on. In order to turn it on, you just press both of those buttons at the same time and hold it for 1 second.
Hello. Phone connected.
And now my favorite part whenever I get anything new, I love to take off that film. It's just so satisfying. So please enjoy some clips of that. And then I'm also taking off the film for the charger. When I got the SENA right out of the box, it was already charged, so I didn't have to charge it right when I opened it, which was really nice. And now I'm gonna go put on the helmet and listen to it and see how the volume is. Okay. It's set really loud right now. Hold on, how do I made it more quiet, but this makes me laugh. It looks like I'm in one of those silent discos. This is so cool! I'm really hoping you guys can hear me because I don't want to take off this helmet right now, but the sound quality is really great. I'm so excited to go test this out on the road, and it's easy to use. I like where I put it. It's like the perfect position, and also the dial makes it really easy to use when you have your gloves. I'm gonna insert some footage of me on the road testing this out. So I can't really let you hear the music that I was listening to as I was riding because of copyright reasons, but the audio sounds amazing. I didn't want to make it too loud so it wasn't too distracting and I was still alert, but I do like the fact that you have the dial so you can adjust the volume as you ride. Also, can anyone tell the difference in the video quality? I just got the Insta360 X3. I previously just had the X. I'd like to think that there's a difference. There's definitely a difference in the audio. For the X3, it has wind reduction so I can hear my bike more clearly now. If you guys want more information on my camera, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. I also have an affiliate link so I can get you guys a discount and a free gift when you purchase. And of course these affiliate links do help me out and help support this channel. But back to the review, I did test Siri and then I was able to make a call as well and the audio sounded perfect. I think next in another video I'm going to try the intercom system and do it with someone as I'm riding so we can communicate with each other, which I think is going to be really cool. But that's it for this video. I really hope the tutorial was easy to follow, and of course, like always, I'll have all the product information in the description box below for SENA. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.